Hello, welcome back to my channel. You can call me Ella. This video is a beginner's friendly tutorial on how to fix a zipper on your clothes. Let's get on with it. Here's my zipper. There are different kinds of zippers in the market. There's a metallic zip and there's the plastic. This one is the plastic zip. I like sewing with the plastic zip because I can cut it to any length I want. So get the zipper, place it on it and open it. Open the zipper. So we're going to pin these parts to this zipper allowance and these parts to this zipper allowance. Get your pins. We're going to be fixing it in a way that this teeth is just on the crease line. This is the crease line, so this teeth is just going to be on the crease line. So I'm going to pin it down. After pinning, this is what it's looking like, the wrong side and the right side. This is what it's looking like. So we'll take this to the machine and sew. Now we're going to change the presser foot. This is not the presser foot for zip, so you get it from here. This is the presser foot for zip.
Now I'll drop the presser foot just by the teeth of the zip, like this.
Take out the pin and sew. Back stitch. Take out the pin. Sew it down to the end here and back stitch. Back stitch. Okay. For the second side of the zip, we're going to move the needle this way. So drop it and move it here. Okay, place it just by the teeth of the zip. And now sew. Back stitch. Take out the pin. Now to back stitch this part, we're going to move the zip forward. Okay. So back stitch. And we're done with our zipper. This is what it looks like at the front. Okay, you can open, close. Now when sewing your zipper, don't use a different color. I use a different color here so you can see it clearly, and I use a different color of thread so you can see it clearly, but you should use the same color. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood this video. Please like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.